What's up guys, my name is Azim and I'm back here with another new cool and exciting video. And in this video we will be reviewing these F9 wireless earbuds. I ordered them online and just 2 days ago I received them, so I tried out them, and now in this video I will be sharing my opinions about these earbuds. So stay tuned till the end of video and to subscribe to our channel. So first of all, let's start with the features mentioned on the box. So at the right side you can see some of the basic features are mentioned here, like wireless and calling and music controls, battery capacity. You can actually pick up and reject the calls by these earbuds, and the battery capacity is 2000 milliamps. And at the back side here you can see that product name is AMOI F9, Bluetooth version is 5.0, which obviously means that we will get a long range Bluetooth, and the working distance is 10 meter, you can see, and charging time is 1 to 2 hours, and the working time of these earbuds is about 4 hours. And here you can see the earbuds battery is 50 milliamps, while the battery of its charging case is 2000 milliamps, and nothing much else is written on the box. And now let's get started with the unboxing. So here we have another little box into the box of these earbuds. Let's take it out and keep this box aside. You can see that there is nothing else in the box, and at the bottom we have this a little packet. Let's open it and check out that what we get in this little packet. So first of all, here we have a little triangular shaped card, and qualified certificate is mentioned on it, and I don't know what is this. So another thing that we get in this packet is this USB charging cable, and after that we have these little paperworks, you can see. So make sure to read them for your better experience. Everything is mentioned on these paperworks about these earbuds, like how to connect them and how to use them, so make sure to read them. And now here we have our main units, our earbuds. You can see that everything is just packed very nicely into this box. And first of all we have our charging case, and let me show you the closer look of this. You can see it is made up of plastic, but it is a bit heavier in weight because it has 2000 milliamps of battery. And at the bottom of this charging case some specs of it are mentioned, like the charger case output current is 1 ampere and the charger case input current is also 1 ampere. Like that clearly means that we will not get the fast charging in any case if you are charging your phone from it, or if you are charging these earbuds from this charging case. We will not get fast charging in any of these cases, but that's a good thing that you can also use it as a power bank for your smartphone, because you can charge your smartphone from this power case. And if we open it, then you can see here are some more apartments, and we will be talking about it later. First of all, let's check out our earbuds. So here are our earbuds, and there are multi-touch functional buttons on these earbuds. You can see these are not clicky buttons, but these are the touch buttons. We will check it out. And after that we have some buds, like you can use and check out that which fits in your ear perfectly, and you can try them out. These are also made up of high quality, and you can see two small letters are mentioned on both of these earbuds, like R and L, which means that right and left. And these are the charging pins. These golden pins are charging pins, and here are the buds. So first of all, let me show you that how to charge your earbuds by placing them into this charging case. So as you can see that if we will bring these earbuds closer to the charging apartment, then it will automatically attract these earbuds. Like you can see, it attracts automatically the earbud, and same is for that second earbud. You can see there is a magnet placed inside of these charging case and earbuds that attracts them so powerfully, and it will not lose in any case if you will even shake it. And these are the indicators for the earbud charging. You can see these little dots are for the earbuds charging, and this meter is showing the power of this charging case, that 49% is remaining for this charging case. And these little red lights shows that your earbuds are charging. Now let's take them out and keep it aside, and now check our main units, the TWS F9 earbuds. So in order to turn on the earbuds, first of all you will have to press this touch button just for 5 seconds, and you see that blue light starts blinking in the earbud, which is showing that earbud has been turned on. And same for this. And if you will turn on both of these earbuds even at different times, then they will automatically pair with each other. You can see this blue and red light blinking on it is showing that both of earbuds has been connected with each other. Now you just have to connect with your smartphone or any device where you want to listen your music, and it will automatically pair both of these. So now it's time to check out the quality of these earbuds, and let me show you that how to connect these earbuds with your smartphone, and then I will show you the working of multifunctional touch buttons, and let me connect these earbuds with the smartphone. So here I do have a smartphone, and I am connecting these F9 earbuds with the smartphone, and you can see that these are connected and now they are ready to use. And now I will show you by playing some videos on YouTube. So here I opened a song. As you can see that the song is playing. So if you will press 3 times on your right earbud, as you can see this is the right earbud, and if you will press 3 times on it, then it will maximize the volume, and if you will press 2 times on it, then it will play the next song. Let me show you by pressing 2 times. As you guys saw that I pressed it 2 times, and next song starts playing, and if I will press twice on this left earbud, then it will play the previous song again. You can see that it really works, and if you will press single time, then it will stop the video, and if you will press it again, then it will start again playing the video. And if you will press thrice on your right earbud, then it will maximize the volume, and if you will press thrice on your left earbud, then it will minimize the volume. And let me show you by pressing it, and if I will press 3 times on this right earbud, then you will listen a sound from the earbuds that volume maximized.
Maximum volume. Maximum volume.
As you guys hear that the maximum volume sound from these earbuds. So that's how they actually works, and I personally like the build quality and the sound quality of these earbuds. If you are in search of budget earbuds, then you can go for them. I will leave the link in the description below, and these are just under the $30 and you can buy them easily from online website. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, then please smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one.